you a very simple method how I created this opened glass door. You can see it's very transparent and it looks like it has glass effect. So it was created using Photoshop. There was no external resource used. So let's dive in. Let me show you how this was done. It is very simple. Okay, now this Photoshop. Then you start by opening your new file. But if you don't know how to open a new file, you can comment under the comment section so that I will give you a link, a video link where you learn how you can actually open a new Photoshop document or a new file. So now let's dive in. How? First of all, start with the background. Let's go to the background. Go to adjustment layer, click, and click solid color. Depending on the color you want your design to look like, you can select it from here. Let's assume, or let's use this. Let's try purple. Let's try purple. Okay. Now the next thing is you create a kind of reflection from the background, like a light reflections. What do? Create a new layer and go to brush tool, then go to color palette, where you select. You can make the forecolor white, which is already on white, and make the background color black. Okay, now then you click at that position where you want that reflection, like the light to reflect. You click. That is one. So now the next thing, let's create the glass doors. Let's create the glass doors. Now take up your pencil and draw around the page to get your glass door. Now you can see the glass door is not straight enough, so you can adjust by using the direction selection. Now for this not to take up our time, you take your time and adjust your own very well to ensure that the door is very straight. It's very straight. So I don't want to take our time on this. So now we assume that this is the door. So now create the edges of the door. And let's create edges of the door. Then take a rectangle tool. And fill it with color. Of course, you are going to use the background color. Click on this to give you the exact color there. Make it dark a bit and reduce it to this one. That's that. So now that is the edge. Then we have to create the base. Now adjust this edge properly. Adjust it properly. Control T and right click. Free transform tool, or you use screw. Okay. Now go to move to, click on it again, Control T to adjust it very well to make it fit. That is that. So this time around, we are going to create a shadow. You see, there's a light behind the door, so there should be a reflection at the outermost part of the door. So we are creating a shadow. Let's cast the shadow. So use your pen tool. So take the pen tool, cast the shadow. So let's cast shadow. So now let's give it a color. Give it a darker version of this. With this, it should be fine. And click OK. So then the next thing you do, you got to blur it. Go to filter, blur, gaussian blur, and click. Then make it more blur. Okay, I think that's fine. And click OK. Then reduce the opacity. Let's say 35%. I think this will be perfect. or make it more. Reduce it more, like 25. Okay, good. Now we have created the first door, but you can see that the door is not transparent. How do we make it glass? So you click on that surface, the glass surface, that white surface, and go to opacity, reduce it to 50. Reduce it to 50. Now it's transparent, but it's still not having that effect, that glass effect. It's still not having the glass effect. So to get the glass effect, you click on the surface and go to filter, go to filter gallery, and then convert to smart object. Then you select a glass-like texture. Select a glass-like texture and click OK. So you can see it's now glass-like. So that is the first door. Now let's create the second door. Let's create the second opening. So you select the door, select the first door, the resources that you use to create the first door, select everything and group it. Group. Let's call it first door, front door. Okay. Now after that, you duplicate it to create the second one. Now that you have duplicated it, Ctrl T to select it and drag it towards the placement and reduce it a bit. Reduce it a bit to show a perspective. Like now, you are going to right click on it and flip horizontally. Flip horizontally. Now, flip horizontally. So now you have the second door. You have the second door. Now, you see, for us to show that this thing is really transparent, let us get an image and place behind it. So let's place behind it. So you can see this transparent. It's actually transparent. Look at this. It's transparent behind the front glass. So you get that. So if you still not understand and there's any question you need to ask, you kindly put it in the comment section. I will reply you privately. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.